AMG built its name on one thing: brutal, thunderous V8 muscle. Cross-plane crank, that iconic burble, it was tradition, it was identity. Then, in 2020, they broke their own rules, for one car. This is the Black Series, and it doesn't just bend the formula, it burns it. Under that long, sculpted hood sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. Nothing new there, but AMG ripped out the heart of it and rebuilt it from scratch. Gone is the cross-plane crankshaft every Mercedes V8 has used for decades. In its place, a flat-plane crank, straight out of a race car, straight out of Formula One thinking. It's lighter, it revs faster, it breathes better at the top end. This isn't a road car engine wearing a race car costume. It basically is a race engine, built for the street. And the sound? It's not that deep, lazy V8 rumble anymore. It's sharper, angrier. A high-strung, race-bred scream that claws all the way to 9,000 revolutions per minute. Listen to that for a second. 720 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. This is the angriest V8 AMG has ever built, and every single horse of it wants to fight. Now look at the back of this thing. That's not a spoiler. That's a double-deck, adjustable rear wing, ripped straight from AMG's own GT3 race program. 9 possible positions. Real downforce, real motorsport engineering, bolted to a license plate legal car. Every panel on this car earns its place. The front splitter, the flared fenders, the flat underbody, all of it is fighting for grip at speed. AMG didn't design this car to look aggressive. They designed it to survive physics at 200 miles an hour. And they proved it. Where else? The Nürburgring. The Green Hell. 12 miles of blind crests, off-camber corners, and cars that simply don't come back the same. In 2020, the GT Black Series tore around that track in 6 minutes, 43.616 seconds. At the time, that made it the fastest production car ever to lap the Nürburgring. Not the fastest AMG, not the fastest Mercedes, the fastest production car, period. A flat-plane crank, a GT3-inspired wing, a record time that embarrassed cars costing twice as much. AMG didn't just build a faster GT, they built a statement. Only 1,700 units were ever built. No successor has come close to replacing it. Some cars are fast, some cars are loud. The GT Black Series is something rarer. A car built without compromise in a world that's already forgotten what that means. This is the last of a breed. A V8 monster built with a race car's soul. And honestly, we may never see anything like it again. If machines like this get your pulse racing, hit subscribe and tell me down in the comments. Is the flat plane scream better than the old V8 roar? See you in the next one.